Although I have taken some small harm and wound, for that I shall not be so recreant, that I make not gladness and song resound, despite the gossiper's slanderous rants. For I live by love, and with love reign, who on all sides binds and girds me in my pain, so that I shall serve her all my days, always. For of naught else I think, nor can, nor it please, who holds me in power as once she held and drew. I pray God she take not harm so grievous and true. You have put me in torments round, since toward you I am obedient. And if you let me die loving, unbound, you'll keep your covenant badly spent. And he sins who his own man constrains, without respite, and toward him feigns. And ugly is he who takes back his gift due. You took it back from me, I can do naught new, when you could have given it to me so lightly too, when the most powerful held my fief from you. Love makes me drink from Tristan's cup profound, and the very same spiced wines ferments. And if love gave to her whom I love unbound, he would act with more courtly intent. For I am hers alone, she alone restrains. Thus I am come into madness' domains. For her whose I am, and ever shall be true. And if she drank, since I have drunk it through, of that same spiced wine that I drank for two, it would seem to me I were with God in view. Love makes me seem a child astound, for just like theirs my senses rent. Now I weep, now great joy is found. Now I'm angry, now rejoicing sent. And ever thus do I hold my reins, for I have chosen and reach not my gains. But not for that shall I ever retreat anew from loving ever, for yet I shall see it's true that my lady will hold me for her own due, though she wants me now no more than a pilgrim crew. The noblest I love to my mind's own ground, whoever was or shall be of any gent, whose I am and no other does my heart surround. For which reason I need her pity's consent. I pray her if she please to will and deign, for otherwise I burn and die and wane. And she must see if death to me falls due, since I love her with pure heart and true. And if she does mercy she'll have lightly too, for he sins who diminishes